Ka looks just like the hiragana ka, though it's missing that little extra line here. Close enough to make it easy to remember though. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Ki. It looks like the hiragana ki, the top part at least. And also looks like part of a weird key. So we're missing the last stroke here. It's only 3. 1, 2, and 3. Ku. This looks like a long cook's hat. What are they hiding under there? 2 strokes. 1, 2. Ke. It looks like the letter K. I've never seen it that way, but it makes sense. 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. Then we have ko. See the 2 90-degree corners? The 2 corners are what help you to remember that this is ko. So 2 corners here. 2 strokes as well. 1, 2. Let's practice reading. Kakao. Kakao. And here we have a new sign. What's this dash? This dash extends the vowel that comes before it. In other words, it makes it a long vowel. For example, ka, and this dash is ka. And here we have ki. Ki is ki, just like in English. Aqua. Aqua is aqua. Kea. Same here. The Japanese a to replace the English r. Kea for care. Koa for core. Kea, koa. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。